Hey guys, Juan here with the Colt firm again. All right, we're gonna do some math because a lot of people have been asking me, okay, what's the math on cost plus price per square foot? Now, I get some pushback. Might get a lot of hate from a lot of builders because I'm exposing the industry. This is for homeowners. I love helping homeowners. I'm all about, and I love helping builders. Builders got to make a living. They go through, they work their tails off to get their licensing, but we are very, very much about being transparent with our clients. We are not going to lie to you. Okay, I'm going to tell you the truth and be straight up. I handle all the sales with our firm. At the end of the day, I've learned some lessons when you hire salespeople because at the end of the day, things can be not conveyed truthfully. So I handle all the sales with our firm, make sure everything goes smooth. So you guys know that when you call here, you're building, whether you're building in Florida, we have a great team in Florida. We got a great designer, great engineering, great builder for the set, covers the whole state of Florida. So let's do the math. I'm building a say that if you say you get a builder who says, I could build your house for $200 a square foot. Okay. You can charge you $200 square foot times a 3,000 square foot home, 3,000 square feet times $200 square foot is the equivalent to 600,000. Now, let's just say for math, this is not real numbers in Florida, but say mathematically, he's making $40 a square foot or making $50 a square foot on you. So he can actually build it cost plus cost. His cost is probably $150. So $150 times 3,000 is at $450,000. But he's going to be making $150,000 off of you. Make sense? So that's what he's making. But he's not going to disclose that to you. For us, we're going to disclose to you straight up front. Okay, we're going to build that for, say, 30%. So say the materials cost you, say we're going to build this house for 3,000 square foot times $150 square foot is equal to $450. Now, $450,000. So we're going to build it for, say, 25% cost plus. So 450,000 times 0.30, 30%, 135,000. Okay. So in that scenario, and that's high, we saved you 15 grand. So $15,000 can go back into your build rather than into our pockets. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's get the numbers up a little further. So say that we're going to build in Florida we could build a house for 175 times 3,000 square foot. Okay, we're at 525,000. Okay, that's the cost to build it plus say 20% times 0.20, 20%. That's 105,000. Very fair, very good. That's a markup. Make it 20%. People, they freak out because we're being truthful with our numbers. We're being honest with our numbers. But say if I'm a builder and I could build it for 175, but I want to charge you 250. So 250 times 3,000. So $250 square foot times 3,000 is 750. So 750. Okay, so we got my 750,000 the cost to build. So I'm gonna write this down here on my notepad. Okay, so 750,000 cost me to build. Is my cost to you. Okay. Price per square foot at $250 per square foot. Okay. Now we're going to build, say, 175 times 3,000. That is 525. So 525 minus 750,000, right, is 225,000. So I just saved you guys. So 105,000 minus. Is that right? Okay. Sorry. So 225,000 minus 105. If you go with another builder, I saved you $120,000 by being truthful and transparent with cost plus versus you going with price per square foot. That's why we get a lot of love and get a lot of hate from clients and whatever, not clients, but competitors, because this is how we do business. So we're going to break down the math. Cost plus, this is the math. What is your cost plus? Because you got the cost in materials and your labor. Cost plus is honest, fair business, and builders, it also protects the builder and protects the client. That's why we do it that way. Guys, God bless you. My name is Juan with the Colt Firm, veteran-owned and operated company. Check us on the web at coltfirm.com, 864-992-6158. We'd love to give you guys some free consultations and help you out with your build. God bless you.